Good morning, students. Welcome back. So I hope that you have given your exams very sincerely, and few problems here and there you might have faced because this was the first time online examination for everyone. However, the first quarterly exam, the first time examination for you all is over now. So just wait for the results. Okay, and as you know that we have to continue with our portion. So in your mind the things will be very clear as you have revised all these first term syllabus for your examination. So in the organic chemistry part we have stopped in the chapter amine till the basic character of amines. Today we continue with the chemical properties of the amines. In that first one is reaction of amines with HCl, hydrochloric acids. So you take a primary amine here, ethylamine, it is HCl and you get ethyl ammonium chloride, a salt. A very simple as it is addition reaction, as you can see, H gets added here and Cl gets added to NH3 and you get ethyl ammonium chloride. Second reaction, exhaustive methylation. Okay, exhaustive methylation means, okay, you take a primary amine here, you start with the primary amine and treat with the alkyl halide, बराबर. तो अभी क्या होगा, फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपका यहाँ पर मिथाइल ग्रुप दिख रहा है. Okay, this methyl group gets added to this particular molecule of primary amine, you get CH312. One H is replaced from here, यहाँ से एक H replace हो जाएगा and you form bond with Br, molecule breaks here. Okay, and you get HBr, but okay, in the form of one compound we are getting this particular products at each step. So you get here CH3 twice NHBr, which is nothing but an addition product. वो ऐड होके आपको एक प्रोडक्ट फर्स्ट स्टेप में देगा. लेकिन if you carry out the reaction, okay, you add one more molecule of HBr to this product now, one more molecule of CH3Br, तो वापस क्या होगा, CH3 थ्राइस हो जाएगा N, okay, and then Br compound again you will get. So CH3 thrice N and Br. Okay, after that the reaction will stop क्योंकि हमारे पास और अगले स्टेप के बाद और हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे नहीं रहेंगे. थर्ड रिएक्शन है एसिटाइल क्लोराइड, CH3COCl plus CH3NH2. Again we take a primary amine here, methyl amine. And what is lost from here is one H from here and Cl from here is lost. Okay, one H from here and Cl from here is lost. Okay, HCl, and this molecule will form one product with this molecule CH3CO NHCH3. Okay, so this is the main product here. Name of this compound is N-methyl amide N-methyl because CH3 group is attached to N, so N-methyl, and this product here till here it is called methanamide. amide मतलब CONH2, लेकिन यहाँ पे NH2 नहीं है, H यहाँ पे रिप्लेस हो गया तो CH3 आ गया, और वो CH3 आने की वजह से हम लोग बोलते हैं N-methyl methanamide. Fourth reaction है primary amine reacting with nitrous acid. Okay, in the presence of HCl and then hydrolysis will give you alcohol, evolution of nitrogen gas and HCl. Okay, so this also is a very important reaction. ethylamine reacting with nitrous acid. Fifth reaction here, primary amine ethylamine reacting with Grignard reagent. जैसे आपको मैंने बताया कि Grignard reagent के reactions in every chapter it is very important, so practice well. So here we have ethylamine and Grignard reagent and we get an alkane. Okay, we get an alkane here. So the product obtained here is, okay, CH4 मतलब CH4 मतलब 1H from here is transferred to this CH3. आपको क्या मिलेगा फिर CH4 and remaining atoms will form one byproduct Mg. यहाँ पे बचा है Mg, फिर NH यहाँ पे बचा था, one atom is gone, so NH, then C2H5, C2H5, okay, C2H5, okay, and we have only one molecule, okay, so we have to write how to show the bonding here. C2H5, then this NH which is remaining, and one Mg here and Br. That means Mg valence is 2, so one bonding with NH C2H5 and one bonding with Br. So this is the byproduct, but the main product is alkane methane. And the last reaction is C2H5 NH2. Once again NH2 purposely ऐसे लिखा है, C2H5 NH2 ethylamine, carbon disulfide CH2, carbon disulfide, okay, and you get first intermediate here, they form an addition product, one H from here is transferred to, okay, S यहाँ पे ठीक से बताने के लिए, okay, one H from here is transferred to this H is transferred to this S and you get SH, okay, and C double bond S and carbon form bond with N. Okay, so here we get intermediate, ये product नहीं है, this is the intermediate, and this intermediate in presence of mercurous chloride HgCl2, okay, will give you, okay, ethyl isothiocyanate, ethyl isothiocyanate, N और Ca इसलिए iso thiocyanate बोलते हैं, iso thio मतलब ऐसे इसलिए, ओके, अगर C और N होता था तो डायरेक्टली यू कुड हैव सेड ethyl, ओके, thiocyanate ऐसे बोलते थे, iso वर्ड नहीं आता था, so this is ethyl isothiocyanate and HGS and of course 2HCl. So these were the important reactions of amines, dear students. Okay, so now this particular reactions, okay, you have to write from the notes, okay, directly when you start the chemical properties of the amines you will get this, with the headings you will get all these reactions. So now we have to start writing from the text. Okay, as soon as we complete this chapter, okay, from the new chapter, okay, since it will be a new chapter for you, that is the next part of the chapter, we will be switching over to section 1 now. So for that, for those particular chapters you will get systematically PDF notes. Okay, so for this chapter, dear students, only chemical properties we started, today it is completed. Now we study some important concepts related to, few more important concepts related to amines. Okay, then the uses of amines, physical properties of amines in the next lecture, and we will wind up this chapter. And from when we start the section 1 chapters, once again you will get notes in the form of PDF. Okay, immediately after the explanation of the chapter. Okay, so that you can understand well. Okay, so dear students, so again we start with our regular lectures, online lectures. Okay, now you have understood the method, how we continue with the, okay, online lectures and how we are giving the exams. So please, okay, be focused on this particular aspects of your lectures and examinations. Okay, That's all for today, dear students. We'll continue in the next lecture. Have a nice day.